Hello guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. This is the gist from the ultimate love reality TV show. Earn My Trust, Bolanle tells Arnold. One of the love guests in the ultimate love reality TV show, Bolanle, has told her partner in the love part, Arnold, that he has to work to earn her trust, saying trust has to be built. She said this to him on Friday while the couple, who are jointly known as BolAr on the show, were discussing their future after the show. Bolanle told Arnold that she feels she does not know a lot about him because he does not like to talk about personal issues. "You keep telling me there are a lot of things you can't see till we leave this house. When we leave this house, things are gonna be hitting us left, right and center. Do we have what we need to be with each other? Because trust has to be built," she said. Arnold replied that they should focus on their time in the love part instead of worrying about the things they do not know about each other. "We can work with ourselves, not focusing on the things I can't tell," he said. Bolanle further asked him several questions such as if he had ever promised to marry someone or got anyone pregnant. Arnold replied in a negative to the question. Bolanle later confided in Rosie that marriage scares her. Bola and Arnold were the first couple paired on the show and fans could not hide their joy. The couple also seemed happy with the news and came up with the nickname BolAr. Okay guys, what do you think about this BolAr relationship? Because seriously, to me, I think Arnold is really hiding something, and I believe there are things waiting for him outside this love part. I think he's just trying to just enjoy the show, try his luck. If it works out, fine. If it does not work out, when they are out, he will just leave and go back to what he's doing. I'm not sure he's really interested in this thing because he's not showing that commitment, or maybe he does not just like this Bolanle. Time will tell anyway. So guys, what do you think? Drop your comments in the section below, and don't forget, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and stay tuned to this channel to get more updates on your favorite show, Ultimate Love. Stay tuned.